First of all, we're going to describe two bar charts, which both talks about data from Julia Fashion magazine. The first one shows you the total magazine sales from 2008 to 2011. At first, we can see that 2008 starts with 30 millions, then, after 1 year, it increased by 10 millions more. Next, the behavior of sales reached a peak of 50 millions, where at the final of period, the sales declined the half of usual increasing, with the final position of 45 millions. On the following chart of Julia Fashion magazine, the age breakdown of readership is the subject of the chart, from 2008 to 2011. Each year shows three different kinds of bars, in which the first one informed under 25 years, the second one from 25 to 50, and the last one over 50 years. In 2008, they had an initial position of 20%, 35%, and 25% of readership. In 2009, it remains slated to the left, with a little increase that then 2010 it has asymmetric behavior in which the range from 25 to 50 years has the largest percentage of readership. Finally, 2011 had a similar behavior, but this time the bar on the middle reached a peak of almost 50%.